Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm here at Apex 2016 and I'm joined by Chris from Kimball Electronics. Chris, good to see you again.
Good to see you, Phil.
Last year when we spoke, I think you just made some investments and started to develop a business in Romania. That's open now. How's that shaping up?
That's correct. We have completed the construction. We've had our ribbon cutting in November of last year. We've started a qualification of new products and actually shipped our first product to our customers this quarter.
Okay,
so it's
and
going quite well.
Are they the end users for that particular factory in Europe or?
Yes, the primary focus of that facility is Europe for Europe. Will be an automotive and industrial initial focus. Will proliferate into public safety and medical over time.
Yeah.
And the products we're planning to ship within the European Union.
Okay, and was that a response to your US customer base saying, you know, we need product in Europe, we need you to have a presence in Europe, or was that you looking at different regions as opportunities for expansion?
Yeah, it was the model, but it was Europe for Europe. Several of our European customers have facilities down in that part of
so you
Europe,
need to fulfill
so
there.
Co-located, as well as the success we've had in Poland has almost filled that facility. So we were contemplating expansion in Poland or next best country, and we chose to go next best country in Romania.
Yeah, it certainly seems that there's a lot going on in Romania, Poland, Hungary. It's a real strong area in any kind of reshoring. I don't really like that term, but any of that trend we've seen back to Europe has certainly proliferated in the east rather than the west.
It's working for us. Maybe still from high cost to low cost within Europe as well. I think there's still some of that transition.
Yeah, and interestingly, Europe's very under outsourced compared to the US. So there's opportunities there for you as well, I guess.
There are, and we've been very successful maybe 4 or 5 years, specifically in automotive and industrial. It's been quite good for us.
Yeah, and that's a market you're very active here in the US as well.
We are.
Is that market going strongly for you?
North America, we're seeing a little softness. I think it's more industry-wide. We're seeing it across most of the verticals, but nothing that I consider to be significant downturns, just maybe delayed launches, little less than forecasted volumes on a quarter-to-quarter basis.
And of course you have this election period, which tends to slow decision and investment processes.
Absolutely. It's quite entertaining.
It certainly is for us looking from outside of the US. It's quite a circus, so it's quite interesting.
We land in a good spot.
Yeah, I hope so too. Yep. Well, we'll have to wait and see on that one. You've got a team here looking at new technology. What are you looking to develop within your manufacturing process?
We have a pretty healthy capital investment plan. We've more than doubled our investments over the past 2 years, and we see that happening again this year in infrastructure. Much of this is around productivity and improved quality and reliability through the process. We brought a team of 5 with us here this week, and they're attending the sessions for training and education as well as out evaluating all the equipment.
On the floor,
from what I've seen today, it's been quite good. I was able to join them for 4 or 5 meetings, and it's been quite entertaining.
Yeah, lots of good new stuff. And you talk about the quality and the productivity issues. Traceability is a big issue in the automotive sector, and we're hearing a lot about Industry 4.0, Internet of Manufacturing, those kind of trends. How active are you in those discussions and developing those ideas internally?
We have several of our customers come in and do audits of our facilities, and traceability system is one of those areas they focus in on. And more than once, from multiple customers, we've gotten, you guys are best in class.
Okay.
So we're feeling very strong about our component level traceability in our North American facilities and the facilities in Europe and Asia as well. It's one of those things we focused in on for more than 25 years. It's been kind of the cornerstone of our success.
Yeah, and do you see this trend in IoT as something that is going to help in that's going to simplify the application of those traceability processes perhaps?
It could simplify. I think it's going to help us with productivity as well. We'll get more proactive communication about what's happening in the processes. You can get down to feeder level kinds of communications. It also allows us to consolidate support organizations. So you may have one individual that would be focused on 2 or 3 lines as opposed to an individual per line. Utilizing technology with the IoT application. Our Mexico facility has done quite a bit of development in that area and has been quite successful.
Okay, and is that pushing outside of the factory walls? Are you starting to see that traceability all the way up and down the supply chain, almost from order to delivery?
Conceptually, it's
Conceptually?
there. Yeah, we haven't realized
Yeah.
anything along those lines yet. The whole IoT thing is something we see in the
Yeah.
products we're building. Our
Yeah.
customers are speaking to us quite often, and we're able to help them through the DFM, DFT process and in our experience with some of those applications. But from our internal supply chain, we haven't seen a lot of that application yet.
Yeah, but it's clearly there on the
coming.
horizon
It's
as well.
coming,
And
absolutely.
the people that you've got here are going to have a watchful eye, and I'm sure they'll have some stories to tell about that when you're back.
Absolutely.
Chris, thanks for stopping by. Great to see you again, and good luck going forward. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you, Philip. I
Thanks.
appreciate it.